To send money internationally using Western Union, start by finding a location near you. Western Union has over 500,000 agent locations worldwide, making it easy to find one in your area. You can visit their website to use the Agent Locator tool, which allows you to search by city, state, or zip code. Once you have found a location, gather the necessary information and documents. You will need to provide the recipient's name and address, as well as your own identification. In most cases, a government-issued ID such as a driver's license or passport will suffice. Next, go to the Western Union location and let the agent know you want to send money internationally. They will guide you through the process and provide you with a send form to fill out. On this form, you will need to provide the recipient's information, the amount you want to send, and the destination country. Choose your payment method, which can be cash, credit card, or debit card. Keep in mind that some payment methods may have additional fees, so be sure to ask the agent about any extra costs. You will also need to choose the delivery method, which can be cash pickup, bank account deposit, or mobile wallet deposit. After completing the send form and paying the transfer fee, the agent will provide you with a tracking number, also known as a Money Transfer Control Number or MTCN. This number allows you to track the status of your transfer online or through the Western Union app. To track your transfer, visit the Western Union website or use their mobile app. Enter the tracking number and the recipient's country, and you will be able to see the status of your transfer. You can also use this number to cancel or modify your transfer if needed. It is essential to keep the tracking number safe and secure, as it can be used to pick up the money. Make sure to provide the recipient with the tracking number, as they will need it to collect the funds. Finally, consider the exchange rates and fees associated with sending money internationally. Western Union charges a transfer fee, which varies depending on the destination country and the amount sent. They also offer competitive exchange rates, but it is always a good idea to compare rates before sending money. By following these steps, you can easily send money internationally using Western Union. Remember to keep your tracking number safe and provide it to the recipient to ensure they can collect the funds. With Western Union's reliable and efficient service, you can send money to over 200 countries and territories worldwide.